Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to use pre-text to speech AI. So let's have a look now. At first, go to the Neuro AI website. To do that, open your web browser, search for Neuro AI. Once you are on the website, click the Get Started for Free button to open Neuro AI Studio. Navigate to the text-to-speech menu. Type or paste your script here. Also, you can generate text by clicking GPT script. Write a topic you are interested in and describe your audience. After that, click on Generate Text. From the top menu, select your language. Select your voice type from the menu and choose your prepared voice actor and click the Save Changes button to save the settings. Once everything is set, click the Generate Speech button to generate your pre-AI generated voice. Click the play button to listen to your AI generated voice. If you are satisfied with the result, you can download the speech by clicking Download. You can also edit the speech by clicking Edit Speech. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.